Hello guys, we're gonna do Joomla tutorial. We want to install our first Joomla. Alright, let's do it. The first thing you have to do after you've already got your Wamp server, in case you don't know how to install Wamp server on your machine, check my previous video. The first thing you have to do is to go to joomla.org and download the latest Joomla package. Joomla 3 is free, ladies and gentlemen. Free as in free beer. You download it. I've already done it. After you downloaded it, you kept it somewhere safe where you can find it. In my case, I've kept it right here inside my Wamp server. Anyway, let's go back. The first thing you have to do before you install Joomla, because Joomla requires a database before it runs, the first thing you have to do is to go to phpMyAdmin. Oops, that didn't work. This is because I've changed my that won't work either, because I've changed my Wamp server local port, host port from 80 to 8080. This one should work. And then you come in here, you can see I already have a couple of databases, but what you have to do, you use this graphic user interface to create your database for your Joomla website. You go to databases, give it my first underscore Joomla, and you say create. It will create your first database, and then when you come to the left side here, you will see what you just created. First Joomla. Select it. Yeah. So you are in there. It will ask you to create table. Don't create any table. Joomla will do all that for you. What you need to do is to go to privileges and add a user for the database. Very important. Add your user. Let's call him our first. Let me use small caps. First. Let's use something easy. Let's call him root. Oh, there's already root in there. Let's call it our first Joomla. Am I writing first? Not first. First. I like using small caps for small s. First Joomla underscore user. Okay, I'm overdoing it. Let's call it first user, first J underscore user. And then host is local host, because we are using our local Wamp server. Password, let's give it root. Root, retype root. Now, very important, we're going to check all and grant this super duper user or privileges. So we say add user, and but the boom is set. So the next thing you have to do is, as I said, you go to your C drive and find your Wamp server. This is your Wamp server. In the Wamp server, you look for www, World Wide Web, although it's called Computer Wide Web. So what you should do is to create a new folder for the website you're going to create. In this case, we're going to create first underscore Joomla. Okay, what we're going to do is to extract the Joomla package we downloaded into that folder. So I'm gonna use my WinZip to extract file and give the path of the folder first Joomla here. So I'm gonna clean all this thing and call this one first Joomla, first underscore Joomla. All right, so okay, and it will extract, and I'll see you at the other end of the extraction. It will take a couple of minutes, 3 maximum. Joomla has finished extracting. We can check into our first Joomla folder and see that there are a lot of files in there. So after that, the next thing to do is to go to your browser and type localhost /first underscore Joomla. Enter. Voila. That is how we do. And then you enter your information like first Joomla sites, description optional, and then enter email. Let me enter me at my site. .com. I'll leave this one as admin. You can change it if you will. And password, let's give it root. Confirm root. Leave everything as it is. Click next. Probably the password didn't work. Root. So next. Yeah, it was the password. I mistyped. Sorry. And then username. Now this username, this is the database information, the database we created earlier on. So what is the username? It was, luckily we have not closed it, so it's here. First J user. So we give the first J user. Password was root. Database name was first Joomla. First Joomla. All right, everything as it is. Click next. All right, now for very important, if you install your first Joomla, that you install at least some data, so it gives you an idea of how your Joomla website is going to look. Otherwise it's going to be blank, and if you are a starter, trust me, you can easily get lost. So everything is green apart from these ambers, and that is quite normal. That is how it's supposed to be. And we say install. It's quick, as you can see. It takes a moment, but it will install. Yeah, exactly. Great, congratulations, Joomla is now installed. Important to remove installation folder. So what else? You can either go back to the back end administrator or to the site. Let's go to the site and see how it looks. Voila, fantastic. This is how our Joomla, first Joomla website looks like. To see what is behind, you simply type administrator. and you can log in. Yeah, okay, this is the back end. You can always go to the front end, just click in here, preview site, but this is where the magic happens. And look out for my next tutorial where we will start building up on these Joomla websites. Thanks for watching. Bye.